So here we got the Whelen 4 SpitFire inside my truck. We're going to take a look at night, what it would look like on the vehicle. So just turn her on and take a look. There is hardly any flashback. You can just see that little bit above on the suction cup. So let's take a look. Alright, and here it is outside at night. Wow. For that little light, that's bright. Alright, I'll turn on the rest of the red lights so you can get a comparison to everything else. She still shows up good with a 4-head Dominator and 2 Whelen 3s up top. She sticks out pretty good. Well, there you go. There's a little Whelen 4 for you.